KV Science in the Sofa. Check it out. Yo, please like and subscribe first. What is a species? No, what is a species? What is a species? We all know the word species, but scientists can't agree in the one definition. In the biological conception say, if they can mate and have fertile babies, they are one species. In the morphological conceptions, if they look alike, they are one species. The phylogenical conception, if they share the same ancestor in the DNA tree, they are one species. Each conception works in the same cases, fails in others. So, what is the species? Debate continues. In the phylogenetical, phylogenetical, genetical, phylogenetical, phylogenetical, phyl, ah, got you.